Welcome to HWM Aston Martin. My name is Mike, I work in the sales department here at HWM. Today we're going to look around this beautiful DB11 V8 Volante that's just come back into stock. We know this car from day one, so let's take a look around. So this DB11 V8 Volante is, what you'll notice is the lightning silver. So lightning silver, really popular colour, obviously going back to the James Bond era of the kind of DBSs and the classic Astons as well. So we have it on this car. Beautiful blue kind of shimmer hue through the colour. It does have a beautiful pearlescent kind of metallic look as well. So it's a really attractive colour. I get asked about this colour pretty much on a daily basis in sales. The car itself comes with a couple of options. So you've got the silver badges. We do have the lower gloss package on this as well. So you could opt for a graphite package. This is the upgraded gloss lower package as well. It does have the vents. So obviously knowing it's a V8 with the side vents here in a black mesh finished as well. So onto the side, you'll notice that the wheels are the 12-spoke turbine alloys. They are finished in silver this time, so actually quite a nice contrast in terms of the classic Aston kind of look to it as well. It does have your gloss finishes on the side and the lower trim as well, which is quite nice. It does have a colour-coded wing mirrors, so obviously when you go into the roof, when we bring it back up, it's going to be a blue, so the blue hood. So actually having the colour contrast upper is actually quite a nice option, really. You do have the black surrounds on the windsills, and then you have on the back of the car we've got a smoked tail light as well. So onto the inside of the DB11. This is, I think, really tastefully spec'd. So what we do have is you have a dark night upper and lower. So we have got dark night carpets, dark night dash, dark night seats. It is a comfort seat, so it also comes with a silver stitch. So you'll see the stitching on the infill of the headrest and on the base of the seat as well. Big option, chopped carbon. So the doors, center console, you'll see the chopped carbon kind of benefit through the inside of the console as well. Standard features, so your glass buttons, touchpad. It does have heated and ventilated seats, this particular car as well. Very, very well conditioned car, done just over 21,000 miles. As I said, we originally sold this car from new. We're seeing it back obviously now with us for sale as well. So hopefully the new owner will appreciate its history. So touching on before, so obviously we do have the blue roof. Hopefully the cameras pick it up quite nicely. So it is a little bit different to seeing a standard black roof out in the market as well. Onto the rear, again, we talked about the script. So you've got the silver script badges. You've got the lower kind of diffuser package as well. So all finished in the gloss. And you've got your matte finished exhaust tips as well. Roof mechanism, obviously when it's in the back, you lose a tiny bit of space, but still as a GT car, it's actually, the boot space is still decent enough for a nice long weekend away. So thanks for watching. Car's now for sale. Reach out to anybody in the team. Happy to help, and thanks for watching.